Jimmy Carrane's an improv nerd. Jimmy.
So, what's your fear about this right now?
You know, I just don't like, just like with Brandmeier, just like with WGN, you'd like to have it in and you'd like to have it out. And I can't tell you how many times, I can't throw it.
But you told me this.
Sometimes when you tell them, hey, when I fall on the ground, go to commercial.
And the camera is just sitting.
I look at the monitor, and I'm still laying down. And I'm laying down. And then I'm thinking, what else am I going to do? I know, I'll hump the ground. I'm humping the ground. Maybe they'll go to break. They're not going to fucking break. What am I doing now? So, okay.
All right. So we're gonna improvise now. So what we need is suggestions.
Rainbows.
A relationship.
Brother, sister.
We're brother sister. Okay. Now, when you hear brother sister, what goes on in your head? We're totally 101 here.
Who's playing the woman?
Okay, great.
And to play it honestly.
Okay.
Explain it too, because like it's a small little. I mean, at one point you could go far with it, and then it may come across Faye or something like that. And you want to be true to a female and not go,
Right. So So that's what's going on in your head. You don't want to play it stereotypical, right?
Are we supposed to do this? Like talk about it?
We can talk about it. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'd like to play for fun.
Okay, good.
I know a lot of improv can get very serious. Like next thing you know, there's somebody crying on the stage. And they're talking about aborting a puppy. And you're like, what the hell am I doing here? So anyway.
Okay. So
can I also work with improvisers like this? Yeah, I'll be back. And then you're out there with the aborted fetus of a puppy.
Right.
I have a little daddy heart who will take these things from my hand. I have this poor little aborted fetus. Will you trade it for my land? I have no idea what that means. All right.